Hello students, so we will be talking about the chapter number 25, that is spicy riddles. In this chapter we will be discussing about different spices, and also in the beginning of this video we will be talking about the spices, why they are important, and in India why spices are playing such a major role. So you will be knowing a bit of different things about spices in this video, and also pay attention and listen very carefully, because in middle of the video I will be asking few interesting questions that you can answer. You can let me know in the comments. And also you will be knowing about different spices, how you can use them, and what are the benefits of spices. And do not forget to write your own answer by yourself. The question that we will be uploading in the website, that answers you have to write by yourself. And let's start. We all know about spices. Now India is also known as the home of spices. Around 63 varieties of spices are grown in the country. So we Indians, we know the major role of spices in our kitchen. We know that spices play such a main role when we cook. You have seen your mothers or your aunties or your fathers cook in the kitchen. Your or maybe you also have done cooking, a little bit of cooking in the kitchen, and you should know that how spices are important. So let's see. The first thing, that is, India is also known as the largest producer of spices. It is not only the largest producer but also consumer and exporter of spices in the world. Consumer means who consume the spices, who use the spices, that is known as consumer. And exporter means the person or the industry that export, means that send the spices outside of the country in exchange of money. That is exporter of spices. It is India. Indian spices are known as the world over for their aroma, texture and taste. Means Indian spices is known in the world for its aroma, for its fragrance, for its texture and taste. India produces about 75 of the 109 varieties of spices listed by the International Organization for Standardization, that is ISO. Can you imagine so many spices we grow in India? So spices are very important as food and as medicine also. Spices have medicinal benefits also. They bring out the unique natural taste of cuisines. Cuisines means any kind of food or food habits that we have in a specific area. That is cuisines. Like Indian food is known as Indian cuisine and could be used to change the look of food to make it more attractive in color. We also add spices to make the food more attractive in color. Some of them grow in the wild and are very good source of food preservative, especially for industrially processed food. What is preservative? Preservative means when we want to store the food for a longer period of time, we add few spices in it which will act as a preservative to store it for a longer time. And also it is used for the factory produced food, that is industrially processed food, means the food that we get from the factory, the packaged food. In the packaged food, few kind of spices are used to store it for a longer period of time. Otherwise, the food can get spoiled. Also, we use the spices to change the color of our food and to make it more attractive. Now my question for you is, give me one example where you add a specific spice to change the color of the food. Now why spices are important? For starters, means for the beginning, spices contribute rich flavor to food without adding any calorie, fat, sugar or salt. Spices does not have any calorie or fat or sugar or salt. It add a flavor to the food. In addition, research is showing that spices contribute to health just as much as fruits and vegetables. Means spices are also very good for your health, just like fruits and vegetables, providing antioxidant, anti-inflammatory and antibacterial and antiviral properties. Now antiviral, you know, now COVID virus is so much going on in the world, and now just you know that spices also have antiviral properties. Not only that, it has antioxidants also, it has antibacterial properties also and anti-inflammatory properties also, which is very good for your body. So when you are eating spices, you know that you are not adding only the flavor to your food, but also you are adding good antioxidants and antiviral properties in your body. So it is suggested that you should eat specific amount of spices regularly to boost your immunity, because spices have so much more only than the adding flavor. And in Ayurveda also, spices are marked as very important because they are enhancing the immunity of the body. Now, what is a spice? A spice is a seed or a fruit or a root or a bark or any other plant substance primarily used for flavoring or coloring food. Spices are different from herbs. And how they are different? Spices are distinguished, means they are different from herbs, which are the leaves, flowers or stems of the plant used for flavoring or as garnish. So don't get confused with a spice or a herb. Both are different. Spices are usually the seed, fruit, root, bark or other plant substance that we get from plants. And herbs are actually the leaves, flowers or stems of a plant, which are also used for flavoring purpose or for garnishing purpose. So both the spices and herbs are there for flavoring or garnishing purpose, but they are the different part of the plant. Now we are going to see a riddle. Few riddles are there. The first one is, I can be powdered fine to make food hot and spicy. If too much of me is added, I make you gasp, she. It means you will gasp because you will feel very hot in your mouth. Your eyes and nose begin to water and you will cry. Think and tell me, who am I? Tell me quickly, who am I? Children, which spice is this? You can see its color is red, but I can give you one more hint. It is green also. Yes, it is chili. In Hindi it is known as mirchi. So this chili can be green or red also, and you can find it in your kitchen very easily. It also comes in powder form, which is known as chili powder, which is used as a spice maybe regularly in your kitchen. Now we will see the next riddle. Grind me and powder me to make your food look yellow. I am mixed in oil by granny and applied to wounds quickly. I heal all wounds, big and small. That is why I am loved by all. Think and tell me, who am I? Tell me quickly, who am I? Now this yellow powder, or you can see the yellow spice, is very good for your health and also is easily found in your kitchen. It comes in powder form and also in the root form. It is the root of a plant. Now what is it? It is turmeric. Turmeric is also known as haldi in Hindi. It has many health benefits. In Ayurveda also it is known for its benefits. Now what is turmeric spice used for? Turmeric is a spice that comes from the turmeric plant. It is commonly used in Asian food. And you know, India is also in Asia, so we use it very nicely regularly. You probably know turmeric as the main spice in curry. It has a warm, bitter taste and is frequently used to flavor or color curry. To add a bit of yellowish color, we use turmeric and we add it in the curry to get that color. powders, mustard, butter and cheeses also are made using the color of the turmeric. You can see the yellowish color in few powders, like the curry powders, the mustard powders, the butters and the cheeses that we eat or that are there in your kitchen. You can see by yourself, then you will know that the specific type of flavor has come from where. Now the next riddle. Small and round like a pearl, I am black when I am whole. I can be powdered coarse or fine, a sharp and spicy taste is mine. Whether it is salty or sweet, I am added as a special treat. Think and tell me who am I? Tell me quickly who I am. Now here there is this picture, you can see it is round like a pearl and it is asking who it is. Now tell me children who it is, and it is also very easily found in your kitchen. It is black pepper or also known as pepper, which is also known as Kali Mirch in Hindi. Now there are many benefits of black pepper, and my question for you is, ask your elders about this spice and the benefits of it and tell me afterwards. Now the next riddle. I am a small and skinny chap. Sometimes I am brown and sometimes black. Added to hot oil and ghee, I spread my fragrance all around me. When I am roasted, curd and jaljeera are favorite to me. Think and tell me who am I? Tell me quickly who am I? Now this spice is added to curd and also jaljeera, and it is roasted, means on the flame it is roasted for some time and then it is grind also in a fine powder. It is you can see the picture here, it is found in this form or also in powdered form. Now what spice it is? Tell me children. And also it is added with hot oil or ghee. Which spice is this? Now let's see which spice it is. And also you will tell me the benefit of this spice. This is cumin, also known as jeera in Hindi. So cumin seeds also have many health benefits. It is also there in the Ayurveda. We add it and we get a rich flavor of cumin in the hot oil or ghee. Now the next riddle is, I look like jeera, though green am I. It is looking like jeera but it is green. To make your stomach healthy, I always try. Eat me always after your meal, I refresh your mouth. You surely feel. After eating food, if you eat this, your mouth will get a natural refreshed. So it is a natural refreshener of your mouth. What spice it is? Think and tell me who am I? Tell me who I am. This is fennel, also known as saunf in Hindi. So here you can see it is green in color. Next riddle is, I look like a nail but a bud am I. It is a bud actually, but it will look like a nail. You can find it in your kitchen also. Chocolate brown color and a strong smell I have. When your tooth ache, when you have pain in your tooth and in your mouth, it makes you shout, I soothe the pain in your mouth. It will, if you use this spice in your toothache, it will soothe out the pain you have. It is so much beneficial for your health also. Think and tell me who am I? Tell me quickly who I am. So now this spice is cloves, also known as long in Hindi. So now you have seen few spices that are easily found in your kitchen and also which are very much beneficial for your health, and you can ask your elders like your mom, dad, auntie, grandmother, grandfather, anyone about the usage of these spices for health benefits for your body, and then you can know why the spices are so much important. So that's all for today's video, children. I hope you learned something interesting, and also you will use these spices and benefits in your own life. Thank you. Take care. See you in the next video.